It's another day in the Bahamas, which means another day going to the beach, baby. The walk here was long and hot, but it was so worth it. Do you see how soft the sand is? And that water. Must I say more? I had a great time at the beach, but it was time to make our way back. This time, some nice guy gave us a ride back in the back of his pickup truck. How cool is that? We made our way back to the marina just in time to turn around and head off on a new adventure. This is our new friend Frenchie. She offered to give us a tour around the island. I started off in the trunk of the car, but I knew if I played my puppy dog eyes right, I could end up in the back seat. Our first stop was to another gorgeous beach. No complaints here. I told you I wouldn't be in the trunk for long. I'm really a front seat type of gal, but this will do for now. Stop number 2 was to another beautiful beach on top of a cliff overlooking some caves. I'm really thankful Frenchie gave us a ride because we would have been walking for days in order to get to these spots. And she sure did show us some cool views. Stop number 3 was to an old abandoned hotel. Do you think we're gonna see any ghosts? Nope, no ghost here, just more beautiful blue water. My little leggies were getting awfully tired with all these walking, so Dad offered to give me a piggyback ride. Of course I accepted. Our final stop was to the coolest place yet, Frenchie's house. She had a parrot and a cute little doggie named Poupée. Did I mention she also had chickens? This place was awesome! It was sad to say goodbye to Frenchie. I really enjoyed my day with her, but we made it back just in time to walk the dock for sunset.